guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a New Year's Eve makeup tutorial because it's going to be 2020. So we need some nice looking makeup, and so we're going to kind of do something obviously with glitter and things like that. I'm also going to show you guys how I'm going to do some of my face makeup. So let's get started. So I did my face makeup as far as like foundation and concealer and my eyebrows. So I'm wearing the Tarte Amazonian Clay BB Tinted Moisturizer on my face for my foundation today, and I am wearing the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, of course, for my concealer. So I am going to just start out with the rest of my face makeup. So what I typically do, because there have been a couple of you guys that have asked me how I do my face makeup, so I'm going to kind of show you one way that I do it. I kind of switch the products up most of the time. But yeah, so I'm going to be using the Kylie Cosmetics bronzer, and this is in the shade Tequila Tan, and I'm going to just go in with my contouring brush and bronze up my face without my hair jawline. So to contour my nose, I'm going in with a blending brush that I usually just use for contouring my nose. I'm going in with the same bronzing powder and just contouring my nose. What I'm going to do is kind of spray my face. Where's my beauty blender? I got it. I'm going to go in with some of my MAC Fix Plus spray. Going in with my Kylie Cosmetics translucent powder, and I'm just going to bake my face with this. So I'm tapping some out into the lid. That is way more than some. That's like a lot of powder. I probably won't use all of that. I'm just going to use my beauty blender for this because it's slightly damp, kind of helps pick up the powder. And I'm just going to tap, I drag it kind of alongside my nose first so that we get like a really sharp edge. And then bring it below my eyes. I only do this kind of makeup because it's New Year's Eve, and when I do my videos because it's like full glam makeup, but I wouldn't typically do this like for an everyday makeup look. I don't bake my face. I'm going to bake underneath my contour. This is like a lot of powder, but we're gonna dust it off. It's gonna be fine. I'm gonna dust it off a little bit. The Kylie Cosmetics Dear Santa palette. This was from the holiday collection this year. If you're interested in a review, I don't think this collection is available anymore. But if you want to watch the review and make a tutorial, because that would be a really good like red eyeshadow look, if you're interested, I'll link it down below. This is what the palette looks like. So we're not going to be doing a red eyeshadow look today because we already did that. I'm going to use like more of these golds and like this dark color over here. I'm going to kind of create like a little bit of a smokier eye with this, with some like goldish shimmer. So perfect for New Year's. So let's kind of zoom in and we'll get started with that. So I'm going to go in with my concealer on a concealer brush, a nice eyeshadow base. I am using my beauty blender and tapping that so it's nice and even. Into the shade Reindeer Dreams and applying this into the crease. And I really want to kind of build this color up because I'm going to apply a like way darker shade after this, so I'll make sure it looks super blended. And then once that is done, I'm going in with a blending brush so that we get a really soft look, and I'm going in with the shade Peppermint Princess and just placing that kind of in a circular motion on the outer corner. I'm going to bring this up and into the crease. Now I'm going in with another blending brush and going into the shade Dearest, which is this really dark shade over here. And again, I'm using a blending brush because I want to get it to be really soft at first. And then using a smaller brush, well, it's not really smaller, it's just more narrow, I'm going to go into the same shade, placing that right on the lower lash line. Going to go back in with my concealer and just cut the crease and apply a little bit of concealer on the inner half of the lid so that we have a nice base for our glitter shimmery eyeshadow color that we're going to use next. So now I'm going to go into the shade Santa's Workshop, which is this really pretty shimmer, and I'm using a flat eyeshadow brush so that we get the best pigmentation for this. I'm going to tap this all on that concealer. I like to add more than one shimmer usually because it kind of helps add more dimension to the eye. So I'm going to go into the shade How Nice, which is a gold, a little bit of a deeper gold glittery eyeshadow, and I'm just using the same brush and placing this right where the two shades meet, so where the previous shimmer that we just applied meets the matte shade. For like the inner corner part of the lid, I'm using the shade Xmas Crush. I'm going to just place this on the very inner part of the lid. It adds like a nice highlight. Using a smaller pencil brush, I'm going into the shade Secret Santa, which is a white shimmer. I'm just placing this on the inner corners and the brow bone. I'm going to apply the shade Kylie Christmas for my brow bone because it's a matte shade, so I think that applying a matte would look better than another shimmer here. Now I'm going to add a winged liner to this, so I'm using the Adora Unshakeable liquid liner, and I'm just going to create my wings. Because this is a New Year's look, I kind of want to amp up the glitter a little bit, so I'm going in with the NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner, and I'm going to just tap some of this right on the center of the lid. So like, ideally you would do this before your liquid liner, but I'm just like looking at it and I just feel like I want more shimmer than that. I'm using my Kiss Flirty Lashes. Now I'm just going to apply some mascara to my top and bottom lashes. I should have done this before my mascara, but I forgot to do it, so I'm going to apply the Man-Eater pencil liner. Any black pencil liner will do, and this is from Tarte, and I'm just lining my waterline with this, so you can see how much like smokier and dark that looks just by not having your waterline line. Going back in with that glitter liner, and I'm just going to take this and apply it to, probably won't be able to see this in photos, I feel like it won't pick up, but I'm just going to kind of throw some of this on my lower lashes. See it? Oh, you can kind of see it. I mean, I can see it, but I don't know if I'm there yet. I like a little subtle touch to add to the eyes. Now that the eyes are done, I'm going to go back in with my bigger brush and just dust off the rest of this powder because you don't need it anymore. For my blush today, I'm going in with my Kylie Cosmetics blush in the shade Winter Kissed, and this is from the holiday collection last year, so 2018. And I'm just going to apply some of this. It's just like a really pretty bright pink blush. Highlighter, I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics loose highlighting powder in the shade Santorini, and this highlighter is so pigmented, it's insane. So I just like to use the whatever's in the lid for this because there's like, it looks like there's nothing there, but trust me, there is. And like, look at that. Out. Lips today, I am using the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Souffle, and it's just a nude shade. Over top of that, I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics High Gloss in the shade Must Be Magic. This is from the holiday collection from this year, and I'm just going to apply this over top of that lip liner. This kind of has more of like a gold sheen to it, or gold glitters. It's going to be more transparent, but it'll have a couple gold little flakes in it, so it'll match the eyes a little. So this is the finished look. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. This is like, I think, a really nice New Year's look. If you wanted to make it a little more smoky, the eyes, if you wanted to make them even more smoky, you can use a little bit of black eyeshadow and can use that on the outer corner, but I was just using what was in the palette today. You can probably use any palette to create this look. I love this lip combo, by the way. I mean, this is really pretty. You can do this with any lip liner and then add a gloss and you'll get the same effect. And yeah, so I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so you're notified when I upload every single new video. And you guys can go check out last week's video, and I also do have a giveaway going on, so be sure to go check out that video for all those details, and I will link that down below so you guys can easily find it. That giveaway is ending really soon, I think January 3rd. it ends, so make sure you go enter if you haven't already. You guys can go follow me on Instagram at Victoria Costanz and on Twitter at Vic Costanz. I post on there all the time, so make sure you go follow me on there. I hope you guys all have a happy new year, and I will see you guys in my next video. Or actually, I will see you guys in 2020. So see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.